Hello, I'm Martin Milton. I'm the Director of the International Bureau of Weights and Measures, the BIPM. I've prepared this message for World Metrology Day together with my colleague Anthony Donnellan, the Director of the International Organisation of Legal Metrology, that's the OIML. World Metrology Day is celebrated each year on the 20th of May, the day that the Meter Convention was signed in Paris in 1875. The theme chosen for World Metrology Day in 2023 is Measurements Supporting the Global Food System. Food is a major concern for every one of us. Providing access to safe and affordable food remains one of the major challenges for governments worldwide. This is also the goal of the farmers and food producers who trade products through distributors and retailers to consumers at the international, at the national and at local levels. In 2021, this trade was worth 22 trillion US dollars and accounted for approximately 20% of all global trade. To trade internationally and to access markets for high-value products, producers must be able to show that they meet food standards, and governments need to ensure safety and fair trade, especially in local markets for food. All of this is supported by reliable measurements of the quantity and of the quality of the primary and processed food products involved. Our focus for World Metrology Day in 2023 is on the many measurement challenges that must be addressed to make the global food system work. For example, the quantity of food bought and sold is measured according to its mass or its volume. These measurements range from the large volumes of grain and wheat traded internationally down to rapid online weighing to ensure pre-packaged goods are labelled correctly. Another example is that the effective storage and packaging of food depends on the accurate control of the temperature and humidity of its storage environment, which can only be controlled if they're measured accurately. Chemical and biological measurements are an essential part of the global food system. The quality and authenticity of food is determined by measuring its chemical composition, which requires measurements to ensure that it contains, for example, the stated levels of vitamins, through to measurements of its isotopic composition to validate the origin of high-value foods such as honey or wine. The safety of food is ensured by careful measurements to detect the presence of chemical contamination such as pesticide residues and heavy metals, or biological contamination such as mycotoxins. It's now recognised that the depletion of natural resources and the impact of climate change pose major challenges to the global food system, such that the goal of reducing world hunger and providing global access to clean water was included amongst the Sustainable Development Goals set by the United Nations. We again look forward to celebrating world metrology with our stakeholders around the world. Thank you for joining us on the 20th of May 2023, which is World Metrology Day. Thank you.